Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, October 26th. We are looking at Window Traders market profile of SPY, IWMN triple Qs. All-time highs today again in the S&P and the Dow. NQ, it's an all-time high, yet the NASDAQ Composite does not, and triple Qs missed their all-time high by 7 cents and then just totally roll over. Russell gets above 230, only to close $2 below it. And they go out with a price probe to the downside. We had a chance for a trend day up, failed. Chance for a trend day down, failed. We did fill today's gap. We still have 4 gaps below. I could have been a hero late in the day when it ran up. I was like, and I said this fictitiously, you know what? And I have done this. I haven't done it in a long time, but I used to go home with positions sometimes. But like, you never want to pick a top. But I was like, maybe I'll buy 100 puts of the 460s that expire tomorrow. Could have bought them at $2.85. As soon as I said that, in 5 minutes, would have been up $10,000 as it came in $1. So, boy, oh boy, what a miss. Did have a good day. Nothing of that nature. And I didn't do anything in the afternoon because the afternoon was just really piss poor for me, I through L. And then obviously, taking a put plain M would have been the play at its high. But I did do a lot of trading early and had a very good day. I took a short in A period against the overnight high with the 459 puts. That backed off. That allowed me to make money on that. And then in B and C, I did nothing but scalp longs. The 456 in B and the 457s in C period multiple times. Decent size on them as I used the ebb and flow of the market. Every pullback got long. Every push up took them off. So within the first hour and a half of a day, I had a very good day. Then the market decided to liquidate. And it did it in E and F. I didn't do anything. The trade I should have taken was the break of F's low in G. Didn't get on it quick enough. But what I did do is when G went down and filled the gap, started along and added to it right above the POC. And we tape it off. If I put this in ones, the volume tape it off. We still had higher value, which, people joke about at times, but value is incredibly important, and it was still higher by a lot, and we ended higher on the day, and I did not think those single prints were going to hold, and so I had a good trade in G, and again, I did it in G period, right. Then in H, when the singles filled, I took a put play to see if we would defend a one-time framing down, which we did, the 457 puts. And then when H pulled back again, I got long again because I thought we'd stop the one-time framing down. Now, I didn't hold it until but it did push up. Those were the 455s, did well on that. And then I popped the top. I wasn't sure what we were going to do. I didn't know if we were going to go back and get the opening. Were we going to lower POC again? There was a lot of uncertainty. I was kind of neutral, and that's why I didn't do anything for the rest of the day. Because forget about M period, but between basically H's high and L's high, it's only a 70-cent range. And we really, even though, K did take out J's low, every push up was met by a push down. Could have made some money in it, but I just didn't have any interest in it. And then obviously M does what M likes to do. We had reversal bars for Curly, K, and for Mo. Three Stooges do their magic again. Volume better today, but still not great at all. 54 million. Our average is 73. So again, we hit an all-time high with very, very weak volume. As far as destinations, one and only one on the upside. That is today's high of 458.49, our all-time high. And then on the downside, again, I need a 9 wide POC. We were only 8. This is showing 9. Let me update it. Now, I'm not going to ignore it tomorrow. However, I like 9 wide or more to carry forward. So 455.56, today's low, will be our first destination. And then the single prints from yesterday, 454.74 to 69, 454.35 to 30, 452.39 daily low, and 451.05 daily low. Again, please write these down so we don't have to repeat them tomorrow. Now, we have Google and Microsoft earnings out after the bell. Not sure if they came out yet. And then on Thursday, we have Apple and Amazon after the bell. Friday, we have the last day of the month. And next Wednesday, we have superstar Jay Powell taking front and center stage. And then on the charts, Monthly is balance. The biggest question for Friday's close will be, do we close above last month's high? Right now we're above it by $2. Do we have an outside month up? Remains to be seen. It's in balance. Weekly is healthy, one time framing up for 3 weeks, and the daily is up, one time framing up for 2 days. Thanks for the likes. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.